here's our cat-cow. We're gonna start on all fours, chest up, butt out. Make sure we have our hands shoulder width apart. Start tucking in, segment by segment. Use your hands to push into the mat. Now let's get that upper area to rise. Can't go anymore. Now you drop your head down. Hold it. Now we're gonna come back out. Keep your head down. Tuck, bring your belly button to the floor. Drop your rib cage. Drop your shoulder blades. And now lift your chest up. We're gonna tuck back in. Keep your head high. Segment by segment. Push with your hands. Keep pushing. Now drop your head down. Okay, let's come out of it. Keep your head down. Tuck it back out. Rib cage down. Shoulder blades down. Now we're gonna bring our head back up. The head is the last to go. Now we tuck back in. It's rising, it's rising. I'm pushing with my hands. Get that upper area to rise. Now we can drop our head down. We're gonna come back out. Head stays down. Bring that belly button towards the floor. Drop the rib cage. Drop the shoulder blades. Now bring your head back up.